Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked which of the following is an example of a function whose graph in the xy plane has no x-intercepts. That's the key point, no x-intercepts. And the first thing you have to think about is, what are other words for x-intercepts? Well, we can think of them as solutions. So this is a function that has no solutions, and a function whose graph has no zeros. Right? Solutions and zeros are just other words for x-intercepts. So when we're asked which of the following is an example of a function whose graph in the xy plane has no x-intercepts, this is a function that has no solutions. This is a function that has no zeros in its graph. So when we see in C a quadratic function with no real zeros, well, this is just saying the same thing as no x-intercepts. So C is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing. I'll see you in the next video.